that seems to last forever exists in your mind as a memory. I can no longer remember the beginning of my life as an elementary school student. I just expect it would have been exciting, scary, and amazing for the little girl of the day. In Korea, we spent this meaningful time for 6 years. And it becomes the most delightful time that makes me who I am today. When I think of the school, I sometimes think of this. Do I miss this place with memories? Or do I miss myself back then? Can you still do the moves you felt were difficult when you were young? If all the moves you want to do make your body and mind feel comfortable, it's a good stretch for you. I started with scissors and bicycles that I did last time. If your heart moves higher than your face, it's a good way to check if you can lift your neck. Pilates is a two-way stretch from a strong center. Strong center includes the hip square and shoulder square you are trying to protect. Can you roll any further than last time? Can you open your chest wider than last time? It's okay to shake a little bit. Your little muscles in your body and your mind are focused on this time to find your body center. And do the opposite. Sometimes you can have fun just by changing your breathing pattern and direction. And it's okay when you fall. You can come back and ride again. Imagine that a bridge from your shoulders to your knees. Stretch one leg long and pull twice with the power of the abdomen. Does your hip stand well without leaning to one side? Imagine moving in the water. Imagine your legs trying to move through the water. Can you draw straight lines in the sky with legs stretched out from the unshakable bridge? Then you can probably hold it without the support of your hands. If you want to take a break, you can take a rest. I hope this is your time, not for others. To stretch, push, and pull. Pilates is a very strange exercise. It takes a lot of energy to complete one movement. If the movement is extended, the head, arms, and legs will be longer. Let's roll down one vertebra at a time and reconnect with the mat. And and then sit on the mat and raise your height. Your spine can also rotate. It's good to go as much as you want, but it's best to keep the hip square and make the same heel length. As I said before, Pilates is not a one-way movement. Your seat connects to the mat, but the top of your head extends upward, even as you turn your spine. The direction of rollover and jackknife is different. Open your chest and stretch your legs to the sky using your back, abdomen, and hips. Of course, be careful not to put too much weight on your neck. Try to stretch down and adjust your speed. Try not to fold the hip joint too much. Draw a nice rainbow at the tip of your toes when you stretch out your movement. School. It seems like the never-ending time has passed in a blink of an eye. I think it was only a few years ago that I thought my time was precious. How precious is time to you?